Whoa. Dude, it's a Viper motor in here. Oh, that's a Restomod if I've ever seen one. That's cool. Ooh. Wait a minute. Isn't this really expensive? This is really expensive, isn't it?
Yeah.
See this thing?
Yeah.
I like this thing.
I like how they use the modern motor in the classic. This is 6.4. 392. Nice.
That's clean.
Yeah, that Charger that's sitting there.
Yeah.
Song I got on Facebook.
Yeah.
I found him in the Mopar Fast group.
Yeah.
1.4 million.
What do you mean?
That gray one that's in the arena.
Oh, that one.
1.4 million is what it's costing to build that.
1.4 million?
It's a custom tube chassis, everything about it.
Holy.
I'm assuming not. Well, there was that grog all over it. That gray one is the one that part on it.
Oh, look at this thing. Not bad. Whoa!
47 Ford.
Sir, is this your ride?
Yeah, I restored it.
That is phenomenal. That the Viper motor, eh? What year is that? Viper motor.
2004 Viper engine.
2004 Viper engine?
Yeah.
Okay, that's awesome. How did you even get it in? Like get it in there and whatnot?
The only trouble was the transmission. The Viper transmission was a real bugger because
It has a Viper transmission in there.
Yeah, 6-speed Viper transmission.
Yeah.
So, like we had to cut the transmission tunnel, open it up,
Yeah.
all the section in there.
Yeah.
All the front end had to be re-engineered because so we put a racket pinion in with 2A1 suspension and everything.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, nice driving car. It's really nice to drive.
That's crazy. How long did it take you to build?
We started 10 years ago. We did
Yeah.
we had it on the road after a couple of years, but just been adding things. Not much we can do on it anymore. It's just
Yeah. Oh, so basically it's done, eh?
yeah.
That's fair. See this thing?
Yeah.
I like this thing.
I like how they use the modern motor in the classic. This is 6.4. 392. Nice.
Your Royal Purple?
Whose is this guy? Right here.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, what's going on, man?
How are you?
Good, yourself? Who owns this purple baby?
He's not here right now.
Aw.
Sal, he's over there. He's over there talking.
You guys know anything about the build? Like how? Like that's
He did it all himself, man.
really?
Yeah, every bit of that.
That's not a joke. You're not you're not fibbing me, eh?
No, he did that whole car.
Really?
I got pictures of his build.
Really? That's phenomenal. Just dropped it in there.
Oh no, it's got a Riley Motorsport front end in it.
Really?
All like the whole car's done. The entire car.
Rally Motorsport.
Riley.
Riley.
He took the firewall there, split it open,
Really?
did all that, cleaned it up.
Yeah.
And then when you polish it, look brand looks.
Holy, that's cool. Everything.
Guy's amazing.
It's actually a really good.
This is a really good build.
It's a really good build.
He did an amazing job.
That's cool.
Mopar Pro.
Yeah. Oh, hey.
Pictures of your build. Oh, it's okay. Don't
This is your ride?
I got it covered.
Can you tell us about like how you just throw it? You just threw it in there?
Yeah, he picked it up. Threw it in.
What I did was
Yeah.
I bought a large jar of Vaseline. I lubed everything up, and it just slid right in.
See, that's what he did. There you. That's what he did.
Messing up.
See, he used KY jelly. That's the problem, right? I'm just kidding. Like, so was it an easy
It
like
wasn't
swap?
bad actually. If you buy the right parts, it all goes together very easily.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
it's- You build it on the floor.
Yeah.
And you just lower the car on top of it. And
Oh, you lowered the car on top of it.
Yeah,
You
you just
did
married
the
the two together.
opposite.
Yeah, he
Okay.
believed it, because if it was easy, that's how he did it.
That's phenomenal. Like, so where did you get the motor?
The motor came out of a 2020 Challenger from out of Florida.
Okay.
A tranny.
Yeah.
Same car. The rear end is Dodge.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
didn't change the rear end. And the whole suspension is Riley Motorsports.
Yeah, yeah.
And it's made for the Hemi, and it's made for this frame.
Yeah, yeah.
You build it out on the floor with the control arms and the spindles and the brakes.
On the floor.
You build the whole thing out on the floor, and
Okay.
your car's up in the air, all empty. And you just
Wow.
lower it down, and you bolt it all up.
Really?
Oh, that's slick.
There are
That's
certain
slick.
things you have to massage.
Oh,
to
yeah.
fit,
Yeah.
But other than that, it was pretty easy.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So how's the drivability?
Yeah, 3 days. I was
3
done.
days.
3 days.
Wow. So where did you get the body then?
The body I bought it out of New Brunswick.
Yeah.
It came with a small block.
Yeah, yeah.
340 small block.
Okay.
I sold it.
Yeah.
And I've always wanted to do this.
Yeah.
I watched enough TV shows where guys, graveyard cars and all that. I
Yeah,
watched
yeah.
a lot of those shows.
Okay.
Where they put modern engines.
Yeah.
Because I didn't want a carbureted car because my whole life I've had carburetors.
Yeah.
So I wanted to go fuel injection, and the only way to do that is to put a Hemi in the car.
Perfect. Now that's an 8-speed in there?
8-speed, yep. Yeah,
Oh my
I
gosh.
cruised up here at 140 kilometers an hour. I was idling at $2,000.
Yeah.
Really?
I bet you this
Yeah.
thing's just
So your gas mileage is mint.
Oh, it's great. It's about 25 miles to the gallon.
What do you got for
Really?
brakes on this?
Yeah.
I got the big Willwood, 12 inch.
Willwoods.
Willwoods.
My man.
It's just a dream to drive.
Oh no, it's like driving a new car.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Oh,
It's got
really?
air conditioning.
It's got air conditioning
It's got
too.
air conditioning right down there. Factory air conditioning right down there.
Oh really?
Is this car ceramic coated?
No.
Holy. What's the headers on there?
TTI.
TTI headers.
Oh, I've heard good things about TTI.
2-inch headers.
Do you mind if we hear it? Like that's.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
It sounds stock.
It sounds stock. I don't even know what that means.
Oh, it's got a nice big bouncer on it too. I like that.
Wow. That sounds mint, bro. I know, right? Oh, don't remind me of that. Holy, Craig. That's clean. That's phenomenal. What's the rear end on that thing?
It's the Dodge 8 3/4, 323 ratio.
Have you taken it to the track at all?
No, we were just talking about that. I might do it in September.
And that's
Yeah.
They're renting the track.
Where?
And that's a full stock engine, no cam, nothing there.
Yeah, there's a mild cam in it.
Oh, there's a mild cam on it.
Just mild, and it's
Yeah.
got some mild head porting. And
Okay,
that's it.
nice.
That's all I got. And headers.
That's perfect.
This is it. This is this is a great.
It's a lot of fun, I tell you.
I bet you it is.
Compared to my 340, I would burn every time I come to one of these cruises about $50 a day in gas.
Yeah.
Now I'm burning 25.
Yeah. Are you gonna do anything else to this thing?
Yeah, I do something every year.
Okay, so what are you gonna do next?
Next is leather interior, which is this winter.
Yeah.
And I'm, what else am I doing? I'm upgrading the rear end to a Ford 9-inch, and I'm changing the wheels
Yeah.
to a double spoke forged wheels.
Okay.
Yeah.
So why are you gonna change the rear end?
Because
Quicker?
the ratio is too much.
323 is too tall, yeah.
It's the first gear will go 10 feet, and I'm already in second.
Oh yeah.
And it's too much gear, so it's basically trial and error.
Yeah.
And I tried it. It was the highest gear I could get was 323
Yeah.
for the Dodge. So I got to go to Ford, which they make a 300.
Right,
Ford rear ends are pretty popular.
Oh, yeah.
Ford 9-inch.
Yeah.
You know.
Now here's the real question, if you don't mind me asking.
Yeah.
How much was this build? Till now, I guess. Till now.
Okay, I'm a mechanic, so I did all the work myself.
Yeah.
I've got 110 in it.
110 grand?
Yeah.
I'm in for this one.
So including like buying the car.
Yeah, I've got 110.
Oh, including buying the car,
Yeah.
not on top of the car.
I bought the car, I bought the car for 40, and then I've got another 70. I put another 70 in it.
That's not bad for the amount of work into this.
Yeah.
It's a
Well,
beautiful car for that.
It's insured for 150.
Well, yeah.
Yeah. So
That's
I
awesome.
wanted to get my labor back at least. So I
Oh, for
insured it.
sure, yeah.
That is cool beans. Look at this thing. 6'1"? Oh. That is impressive, dude. That's impressive.
I never wanted to own a convertible, but I would love the shit out of it.
Yeah.
I think it'd be cool to have a convertible for as a sidecar where you take on nice days. That'd be sick.
Yeah. Look at the exhaust, it just comes up. Yep. So good. Oh. Wow. This is an expensive.
Okay, so this is another modern drivetrain.
Yep. So probably a 350 screen original car.
Yeah. 318 original car,
I
yeah.
would say 318 to 360 or something. You're not hurting the value by the modern driveline.
Yeah.
Still a big dollar car.
Oh, dude, the amount of work on this too. I like modern builds, to be honest with you.
I do. The modern conversion.